So here's the before. I was gonna go along this edge here with the pitchfork and take out the quack grass, but the tractor is gonna be much easier. As you can see, my helpers are checking things out. They'll help me level here in a little bit. And I'll show you the after here in probably about 3-4 hours. Well, I was going to go through and do it by pitchfork by hand, but the tractor is much easier. So I took the tractor and just broke the surface down to about 6-8 inches up. I did not turn it. I just broke it up with the backhoe. Much easier. As any good employer knows, you have to have the right incentives. So here's water, so my dinosaurs don't have to go get any water. And there's plenty of worms in there. So we have the incentive. Let's see what happens. Here, chick, 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 chick. Come on, chick, 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 chick. And here come the workers. Come on, chick, 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 chick. Come on. I want to go have some lunch. And we will see what this looks like when I come back. The wind is blowing, but the garden is ready to lay some paths out and bring in some cardboard and some bark, and it's come a long ways from this morning. It's about 4 o'clock, so it took about 5 hours. And lunch, and letting the chickens work, and they knocked down a lot of the bumps. One of the last steps is laying out the cardboard and then putting bark on top of it. The bark looks really thick, but by the time you walk on it and it rains, it'll be down to be about 2 inches high and should keep the weeds out. So that's it. The garden is prepped, and now I just wait for weather to plant.